Have you ever walked into a room and felt an immediate sense of expansive, quiet confidence, yet couldn't quite pinpoint why? Many homeowners fear that using black will make a space feel like a dark cave or an overlooked design mistake. However, understanding that black is a foundation for elegance rather than just a color can completely change how you view your home's potential. Maybe you've felt like your living room looks bland even though you've carefully bought new, high-quality furniture. The issue often isn't the items themselves, but a lack of visual anchoring that provides a sense of order and structure. Without a strong, grounding element, a room can feel untethered and lack the sophisticated depth found in luxury boutique hotels. Before we continue, please like and subscribe to the IkiGriya channel. May all IkiGriya friends soon have their dream home. In the world of interior design, professionals don't treat black as a risky choice, but as a silent, powerful canvas. We often think a home has to be massive to feel luxurious, but the right application of black creates that same feeling. By choosing strategic surfaces, perhaps a single wall or cabinetry, we begin to define the room's structure with intentionality and grace. Psychologically, black signals a sense of total control and refined intention, which are the very hallmarks of premium environments. Instead of demanding your attention like bright, loud colors, black invites a quiet curiosity that slows the eye down. This intentional pause allows you to feel more relaxed after a tiring day, surrounded by a space that feels focused. One of the most educational aspects of this transformation is learning the difference between matte and glossy black finishes. Matte black feels soft and architectural, absorbing light to create a velvety depth, while glossy black reflects light to add a sense of drama. Luxury interiors often combine both to create a subtle layering that separates an ordinary room from a designer masterpiece. There is a common misconception that black walls will always shrink a room, but designers use it to achieve the opposite. When paired with high ceilings or large windows, black can actually blur the physical boundaries of a space, making it feel more expansive. This immersive effect is a powerful luxury tool that tricks the brain into seeing endless, sophisticated depth. In a black-themed interior, lighting must be treated as a physical material rather than just a functional afterthought for the room. Layered lighting, ambient, task, and accent, is crucial to prevent dark spaces from feeling flat or uncomfortably heavy throughout the day. Warm LED strips and sculptural fixtures highlight the architectural lines, transforming the color black into a dynamic, living experience. To ensure the space doesn't feel cold, we must pair the intensity of black with the warmth of natural materials. Imagine the contrast of a charcoal wall against dark oak floors, marble countertops, or the soft texture of organic linen. These materials bring life and authenticity to the home, creating a balanced atmosphere that feels both timeless and deeply inviting. Texture is truly what keeps a black interior from feeling one-dimensional or boring to the human eye. Designers layer tactile materials like velvet, brushed metal, and ribbed glass to create a richness that you can almost feel. Luxury relies heavily on how a surface makes you feel when you touch it, not just how it looks from afar. furniture in black acts as a visual anchor, instantly elevating the aesthetic of the room through its form and proportion. Instead of cluttering the space, we choose a few high-quality pieces, like a leather sofa or a minimalist dining table. This last but better approach ensures the furniture feels sophisticated and modern, echoing the lifestyle of someone who values curated quality. Understated luxury is often found in the small, controlled use of metallic elements like brass, bronze, or champagne gold. These accents act like jewelry for the room, introducing warmth and reflecting light against the dark, moody backdrop of the walls. It is a classic designer trick that adds a layer of refinement without ever feeling excessive or gaudy. The transformation becomes most apparent in the kitchen, where black cabinetry and seamless layouts create a bold, timeless statement. By integrating handles and using stone countertops with subtle veining, the kitchen becomes a place where you feel proud to welcome guests. It proves that a traditionally risky color can be both practical and breathtakingly beautiful in everyday use. In the bedroom, black is used to reduce visual noise and create a cocoon-like sanctuary for rest and emotional healing. Choosing warm charcoal tones instead of stark jet black makes the space feel soothing and hotel-inspired for a better night's sleep. This design choice reminds us that our homes should support our mental well-being by providing a quiet, elegant escape. As we look at the final result, we see that interior design isn't just about beautifying a room, but about creating harmony. Black has turned an ordinary space into a meaningful living experience that feels intimate, powerful, and entirely personal to its occupants. Do you think you would be bold enough to use black in your own home, or does it still feel a bit too daring? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The journey doesn't have to end here. Check out our other videos on the channel to see how we transform small spaces into dream homes.